4. Let's talk about the appraisal company. Why do we need an appraisal company? A. Purpose of an appraisal company. An appraisal company specializes in assessing the value of properties, including residential, commercial, industrial, and other types, to ensure the financial well-being of all parties involved: lenders, sellers, and buyers. Appraisals are often requested even in cash transactions to confirm the property's value. B. Role in real estate. Purchase contracts, R.E.P.C. When entering into a binding real estate purchase contract, R.E.P.C., lenders typically require a professional appraisal of the property. This ensures the transaction aligns with the property's market value, protecting the interests of the financial institution. C. Lenders' appraisal requirements. The lender must confirm that the property value aligns with the purchase price stated in the R.E.P.C. If discrepancies arise, the lender may 1. Not accept the appraisal report. 2. Request an appraisal desk review or a second appraisal for verification. Any additional appraisal-related costs are generally borne by the buyer or borrower. However, through an addendum, you may negotiate that the seller or client contributes to or fully covers these costs. D. Scope of the appraisal process. The appraisal process involves a thorough examination of the property's interior and exterior. Depending on the situation, the appraiser may assess visible structural damage, pest infestations, condition of plumbing, electrical systems, HVAC units, and other critical components. The appraiser may provide recommendations or flag concerns that require further inspection, ensuring the property meets safety, health, and valuation standards. An appraisal, independence requirements. Federal regulations continue to emphasize the importance of appraisal independence to prevent undue influence by any party in the transaction. Alternative valuation methods. In some cases, lenders may use hybrid or automated valuation models, AVMS, for lower-risk transactions, though these are typically supplemental to traditional appraisals. Environmental and energy considerations. With increased federal focus on sustainability, appraisals may factor in energy efficiency and environmental compliance when evaluating property value. And fair housing compliance. Appraisers are required to adhere to non-discrimination policies, fees under federal law, ensuring appraisals are free from bias. These measures are designed to maintain fairness, accuracy, and transparency in property valuation. Congratulations! You've completed the appraisal company section. Please proceed to the next video on the home inspection company section. Feel free to revisit this section or any previous videos if you need further clarification on any information.